Oh, this rain got my backyard looking crazy. Let's see how bad my garden looks. I don't see too much damage. Move. You can't come in here. All right, so I got my cucumber plant. Still no fruit. Better Boy tomato plant is giving me the blues. It's growing some though. Still no flowers on this plant. I got some buds though. I got little pepper, another little pepper, chocolate sunflower seedlings. My eggplant, it's doing all right. Now this is bigger than it was yesterday. Planted some mint, some lemon balm,